Hi, Sister Crawford. I'm really excited to talk to you today about my vlog project proposal. I would like to show the world what it's like to be me for the day. I would like to include talking about my classes, my exercise habits, my homework, spending time with my roommates, showing what I do as a TA for women's chorus, different things like that. My filming dates and locations, I know. I would like to film Monday, November 3rd and Wednesday, November 5th. Those are both kind of like my A-day days, so I would have the same classes both those days, and I'd be able to film a short minute in each class to make a class montage, and then film me in my exercise class that I like to go to. I'll film me in my room, hanging out with my roommate, or working on some homework, talking to my family maybe. Also, I go to several of my classes that are virtual in the MC, so I would also film there. This would be throughout the whole day of November 3rd and November 5th, Monday and Wednesday. If I need to add more days, I will, but I think I'd be able to get all the filming I need to have this be an effective vlog Monday and Wednesday. For my background track, I would like to, this is so fun. Okay, I would like to sing Mr. Blue Sky by Electric Light Orchestra to put into my video montage. So, I don't know if you've seen, like, most movies, if they have a montage, Mr. Blue Sky is the song that goes, and I think it's super fun. I was just listening to it in the car today, thinking about what I wanted to do, and then the light bulb went off, and I was like, what? We could do that. I'm not a very talented instrumentalist. Like, I wouldn't be able to make all the parts myself, but I would be able to sing them all in like an a cappella style and put them in as my montage, and so that is what I would like to do for my background track. So I will find the music tonight and tomorrow, start learning my part throughout this next week, and then I will film and edit it on next Sunday, November 8th, when I currently have time. Finally, people that I would want to be involved in this project are my roommates, Taylor, Shiloh, Katie, Natalie, and Sequoia, and they would just be a part of my daily life because they are such a major part of my daily life. I would probably also include people in my class if I have their permission. The reason I don't have their names up here is because I don't know who would allow me to, who would not allow me to record them for, say, if like where I'm in a breakout room, different situations like that. So those are the only names that I have for sure. But of course, if I do add anybody, I would make sure to get their permission, number one, and put them into the credits at the end saying that I did get permission for them to be in my vlog. And that is everything. I'm excited to hear what you think of my proposal. I'm excited to get started on it. I think it's going to be a really fun way for me to learn, I guess, more about myself and my own habits. I'm looking forward to your feedback and to know what I can do better. I hope that you have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!